In this video, we are going to truncate the content for a post. As you can see for this one, the content is too much. Alright, so let's go ahead and then do that. We are going to create a utility function for that. So let me close everything from here, and in the SRC utils, create one called truncate string. And the function goes like this: const truncate is equal to arrow function as that. And for this, it will take the string that we want to truncate and then the number of the content or the characters. So here, if the string dot length, if it is less than or equal to the number, then we will return the actual string. Else, we are going to truncate by saying that return string dot slice, then start from 0 and end at the target number, and we're gonna add this ellipsis to it as quote and then 3 dots, and lastly export default and then truncate string. So let's get into the post details, which is component post and post details. This one where we have the description. Yeah, this one. This is what I want to truncate. So here, cut it and then bring in the truncate string. I'm going to pass in the string and then the number of characters. Let me say 20 for this. Oh, sorry, supposed to be on the post list page. Yeah, so let me copy that and then bring it back to this. All right, so let's locate the post list instead. This one, and the description for the post, which is for this one. Let me use the ID for the image. Yeah, this one. So here, let's bring in the truncate string, and then the first argument is going to be the content and then the number of characters. I'm going to use 20 for this, and let's see. All right, it is too small. What about 100? I think let's use 200. Yeah, this okay. So where we want to truncate a string on the post details, we don't have to do that. And then let's locate the my post here. For this, let's use the actual content, and let's get into the users and my post, which is somewhere here is dashboard post. All right, so here, that is the description. We are going to use the dangerous HTML, but we have a package called HTML to text. This one will avoid us not using the dangerously attribute here as that. So let's shut down and then npm I HTML to text, and let's install that. All right, it has finished. And on the dashboard post, let's bring in the import HTML to text, and this is what we call the HTML to text. So down here, let's bring it back, and then we pass in, then we call the function to truncate, and then pass in the description and also the number of characters. For this, I think 10 is okay. Now let's see. For some reasons, it is not working. Let's see the error. cannot read property of undefined on dashboard post line number 19. So I think we have to do something about it. Yeah, we have to use the optional chaining, and now it worked. So let's see. I think I still see some description, which is, yeah, remove this. And let's see the function to truncate. Oh, sorry. Let's use the one that we created. Truncate string. Yeah, this one. And now we have it as that. Perfect. So as you can see, our application is coming to life.